Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. So I hope you are enjoying my videos and you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can do Pinterest keyword research. This is the method number 3 and I also posted 2 videos of Pinterest keyword research. Why I spending so much time on keyword research? Because keyword research is the most essential part to grow your Pinterest profile. So that's why I will share different methods. So this is the third and the last method of Pinterest keyword research, and after that if you watch these videos properly, so you become master of Pinterest. So let's start it. So in today's video I will show you a tool which is provided by Google, from which you can research the trends and keywords. So the tool name is Google Trends. So I click on trends dot Google. This is the tool provided by Google itself. So this is the Google Trends homepage. Let's write this URL and trends.google.com. Okay, after that select the location. I want to research keywords or trends for USA, so I click on United States. So it will show me trends according to my country. So first of all I search here quotes. It is bit slow, so bear with me because my internet speed is slow. So as you can see, the trend is almost stable like this, from 100 to 80 to 57, 52, but it not goes too much down, so we can work on this. So this is also the related queries like Wednesday motivational quotes, Isabel Allende quotes, Wednesday motivational quotes for work, Wednesday positive quotes, Wednesday quotes for work, and hump day quotes, happy Wednesday quotes, Wednesday inspirational quotes, like this. And this is also percentage of the trend. So we can, this is the rising queries, but if we search on top queries, this love quotes, funny quotes, life quotes, inspirational quotes, these are the quotes we will search in. If you notice that we search on Pinterest like keyword research tool, so this is the same thing, but there are different methods to do one thing differently. So that's why we are here. And after that we can also compare. So I compare love quotes with funny quotes, love quotes, and compare it with funny quotes. So it will show us the comparison. So funny quotes denoted with the red color, and love quotes denoted with blue color. So as you can see, the love quote trend is very high. So and it is also increasing. So this is the time you can work on this love quotes. And after that you can also search different types of quotes like life quote. I also add life quotes in comparison. It is denoted with yellow light. So as you can see, the trend of light quote life quotes is also very good, and it is increasing, as you can see. So we can compare love quotes and life quotes. So the life quotes and love quotes both have almost the same trends, and love quotes is growing fast. Sorry, life quotes is going fast. So these two keywords are good keywords to work on. So keep working on this if you are working on the like if you are working on this like quotes niche, so these are the good keywords and these are the related queries, and I select on top love you quotes, quotes about love, in quotes, in love quotes, I love you quotes, and these are the good keywords to work on. So guys, this is the third method and the last method, and I hope you like this method. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through Pinterest marketing. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.